Let's watch this video. This woman is saying something, and let's go and watch it. Then you share your view whether what she's saying is factual or not. Let's go.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Gaïla.
So do you agree with her that it is very easy to drive automatic car as compared to manual car? Now she has graduated or she has moved from driving manual car to driving automatic car, so she can do whatever she likes as she is relaxing. As you can see, she's just relaxing in the car, not changing anything, not changing the gear, not pressing the crutch and all that. So because of that, she could do whatever she likes. Do you agree with her? Comment in the comment section and then share your opinion, and then also share with other people to also share their opinions. So with her posture, do you agree with what she's saying? She's just relaxing. She's not changing any gear. She's just sitting down in the car and the car is moving by itself. But with the manual, you have to use your left leg to make sure that you change the accelerator, or you press on the accelerator before you can change the gears. But with the automatic, you are just holding the steering wheel and you are just going. You will not change any gear by yourself. It is very easier to drive the automatic car than the manual car, because with the manual you have to be changing the gears. But with the automatic, you don't change any gear. The car will be changing the gears by itself. And so because of that, she has relaxed. She's just relaxing. But in both systems, you have to be alert. You have to control the steering wheels. Yes, the steering wheels, you make sure that you control them. You must be very good at controlling the steering wheels. But in both systems, you have to be alert. You have to control the steering wheels. Yes, the steering wheels, you make sure that you control them. You must be very good at controlling the steering wheels. Even though with automatic you relax, but you have to be sure that your eyes are focused. So with both systems, whether automatic or manual, you have to be alert. You have to be very careful. You have to control your speed. You have to make sure you manage your speed very well, with both ways. And so, even though you are no more driving manual and now you are driving automatic, doesn't mean that you should relax, because in both systems, if you are not careful, you can crash. You can actually have issues on the road. And so, make sure that whether you are driving automatic or you are driving manual, you are very, very careful on the road.